Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2021 Ram 1500. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, you'll be sure to appreciate this model's condition and value. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.